Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have another set of assignment. The assignment is on mind mapping and the new words. When you thorough with your lesson, this mind map helps you to analyze that how much knowledge you got from the lesson. So here what we have under the blocks which we have to complete it, the Greater Himalaya Ranges. Greater Himalaya, as you know that Greater Himalaya Ranges have three parallel ranges. What are the three parallel ranges? Let's see. What are the three parallel ranges? The first parallel is called Himadri. The first parallel range is called Himadri. It is also called as Greater Himalayas. It also called as Greater Himalayas. Under Greater Himalayas, you can identify that you have all the highest peaks here. What you have? All the highest peaks of the world. You have the Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world, and coming to the K2. K2 is the highest peak in India. I mean, after when the what is that POK has considered into India. So K2 is considered as the highest peak in India. Before it was Kanchenjunga. Okay. So under Himadri you find all the highest peaks. Coming to the second parallel range is Himachal. Under Himachal you have all the hill stations. What are the hill stations? You have Shimla, Kullu Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital. There are so many hill stations which comes under the Himachal. Himachal is called as Lesser Himalayas. Himachal is called as Lesser Himalayas. Coming to the last one, it is called Shivaliks. What is Shivaliks? Shivaliks is nothing but the outer Himalayas. Here, under the foothill of Shivaliks, you find all the terai regions, you find the forest, you have the salt trees, marshy lands. Okay, so here under Shivaliks, you find all the valleys. Okay, and what are the valleys we have? We have Dehradun and Uttarakhand. Okay, now let's see, we are going to complete the block. Let's complete the block. So as I said you, under Greater Himalayas you have Himadri, under Himadri you have major peaks, under major peaks what you have? Mount Everest and K2, Mount K2. What is K2? Karakoram ranges. Coming to Himachal you have hill stations, and what hill stations you have? You have Shimla, Kullu Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, that you can include when you design your own mind map. Coming to Shivaliks, you have the flat valleys. What are the flat valleys? You have Dehradun, you have Uttarakhand. Okay, is it clear children? How you have to design your mind mapping? Let's go for the next one. You have scramble words which you need to unscramble them. You have the scramble, a set of scramble words, you need to unscramble them. If you can see this, all the 5 words here. The 5 words looks very difficult, though it is very similar because you have already read in your lesson, but it looks little different. So what is this? When you read the lesson, you can easily identify all these words. I find starts with G and R, E. This looks like Georges, it looks like Kangri. It just look like me for perennial rivers or perennial. It's look like as a terai regions. It looked me like a glaciers. Let's see. Yeah, the Georges. What are the Georges? If you can see here, Georges are nothing but hills, a narrow valley which flows between the 2 hills or the 2 mountains. If you can see here, 2 hills, under that you have all the rocky marshy regions and you have the steep stream. So these are called as Georges. These are called as Georges. Coming to the Kangri, if you can see this picture, it is very clear to you. Kangri is nothing but, this is completely a pot. Inside you have the clay pot where the charcoals are kept to warm themselves. Where you find this Kangri, you find in the Jammu and Kashmir region where they keep themselves to warm. Okay, this is Kangri, and this is completely decorated with the bamboos. Now it is coming with a different decorum. Okay, Kangri. Coming to Terai, as I said, Terai you find in the outer Himalayas or the foothills of Shivaliks. Outer Himalayas, Shivaliks both are same. This is Terai regions where you find the forest regions like salt trees are very famous there. Coming to this perennial rivers. What is perennial rivers? Perennial rivers flows all the year, like 365. It melts from the glacier mountains. You have 3 perennial rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Indus, right? These are all the perennial rivers. Coming to this one, glaciers. What are glaciers? It is persistently from the pretty long years it's been staying, and it moves on the same own body. It moves, it melts also. That's what called as glaciers. Okay, let's see. Okay, Georges, Kangri, perennial, terrae and glaciers. With this, we have concluded the assignment, children. Make sure that you are making your own mapping and be perfect with all the spellings. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.